Alright guys, real quick, there's gonna be a lot of random footage in this vlog from 4th of July up to now, so you're gonna be bouncing back and forth throughout this vlog. It's gonna be super confusing. I'll try to make it as possible for you guys to understand this vlog. So if you guys want to see the 24-hour challenge handcuff, go to this time frame right here, and that's where the challenge starts. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so it's already past like almost midnight, but apparently Brian still has fireworks, so we're gonna set those off right now. And bro, well, I know cops are gonna roam around, so guys, okay, I'm not saying don't rat me out, don't rat him out, but we'll see how this turns out, guys. So let's get these fireworks. I told you it's that one. Wait, Brian, put the flashlight. Shit, we still got Excaliburs here.
We got a cake.
Oh my god. We got that big ass box over there. Fuck it, fool. How many are we gonna pop?
Like 2.
2? Fuck it. Run, bitch, run! You bro. Oh, fuck. What's up, Power Squad? How you guys doing today? Hope you're having an amazing week. I'm here with my friend Brian, aka Osama Gonzalez, and we got the big, yet still a virgin, Torta, in the back, Armando. When he's hiding himself. Ladies, please hit him up on his Instagram. But yeah, guys, so right now we're heading over to the 626 market. I haven't really vlogged in like, what, a week? But I mean, hey, I'm trying my best. I'm trying to come up with new videos. We're having new videos coming up with somebody that you guys remember who's came out in previous videos on my channel. So remember to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification bell on so you're always notified when I upload a new video, guys. So let's head over real quick to the 626 market and let's go see some Asian girls. So we get here to the 626 market and this dude forgets that it's not open today.
It's tomorrow, guys.
It's tomorrow. So now we gotta figure out what the hell we're gonna do, guys. Literally, I think we're just gonna be fat asses and go find something to eat. That's pretty much all I can think of right now. Yeah, we're gonna figure something out, guys. I literally have no idea what we're gonna do. So let's see what we end up doing. All right, guys, so we came to Sonic, but that was a mad fail. There's too many people. And yeah, so right now we're still trying to figure out between Sonic, well, obviously we're not eating here at Sonic, but right now we're debating between Taco Bell and fucking In-N-Out. So we're gonna see what we end up picking. Oh my god, I fucking hit my knee hard. But yeah, guys, so we'll see what we pick. Alright guys, so I'm pretty sure you guessed where we're at. We ended up coming to In-N-Out. I was gonna say Wingstop for some reason. We ended up coming to In-N-Out. Literally, this was like last minute. Originally we were supposed to go to the 626 market, but you know, things happen, so you gotta come with a plan B, plan C, and a plan D. So now we're at In-N-Out. My boy, you gonna get the 4x4 or what? Man, look at that sad puppy over there. Oh god, so sad. Single and forever, 40-year-old virgin. Guys, I feel like a straight up fat ass fucking having a double and fries and it's almost like 11 at night. Fuck it, let's finish this. Alright guys, so we just got to my cousin's place. Now she doesn't know that we're doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge. So I'm assuming she's still asleep because she went out and party last night. So let's get these handcuffs on her real quick before she gets pissed at me.
What the fuck? You must. What the? Why would you put it on the hand? Oh my god. You messed it up, Mom.
Good morning, cousin.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You better fucking feed me.
What time is it? 24 hours starts now. So what time is it?
10:58.
10:58. So not till tomorrow at 10:58 a.m. these cuffs come off.
Oh.
It's 24 hours on me.
What the fuck? You're sleeping on.
So I mean, this is gonna work two ways. So this challenge is gonna work two ways, guys. Either we stay like this for 24 hours if she can last, or we're gonna try to get each other to, well, I'm gonna do some horrible shit to make her want to take off the cuffs, which is gonna cause her to lose, and then she has to suffer a consequence. But if I take them off before she does, then I have to suffer a consequence. So let's see who gives up first. I bet my money on her, guys. If you guys think it's gonna be her who's gonna lose, drop down in the comments who you guys think is gonna win. But hit that subscribe button, guys, because we're about to go out somewhere that she doesn't know of. Alright guys, this is gonna be a weird ass lift ride considering me and my cousin are handcuffed, so we're gonna see how this turns out. It's gonna be a fun conversation with him though. Alright guys, so we're at the mall right now and it's hella empty, which I kind of had a feeling that was gonna happen considering that it is a Monday. And I mean, my cousin's already not liking this, she's freaking pissed. But the thing that I told her, I was like, okay, so we're here. The thing is, she can't even try on clothes if we pass by a store, because how are we gonna get her shirt off and that, and I'm not going in there, and that's not happening. So let's see what else goes on, guys. I'm gonna make her suffer today, best believe it. All right guys, so we're gonna get Chipotle real quick because I'm hungry and I haven't eaten anything. She's already eaten a sandwich. I didn't record that.
I'm so hungry.
You're still hungry? Yeah. Oh my god, I need to call her boyfriend over real quick to buy her food. Let's get the employee's reaction, guys. It's gonna be so fucking weird. Oh my god, I'm literally starting to regret this, guys. Are you? We literally have to eat right now, and I don't know how we're gonna pull this off because, well, it'd be easy for me because I got my right hand. She's gonna eat with her right hand, but we're gonna see how this turns out. We're already getting weird looks, so we're gonna see what happens. All right, guys. So I forgot to tell her that Chipotle technically gives me the shits like a few minutes after. So yeah. So guess who has to go to the bathroom in a little? Me. So we're gonna see how this turns out for her. She's probably gonna end up taking off the handcuffs, and she gets the punishment. Yeah, I'm starting to regret this right now, guys. I do not. She literally wants to go to Forever 21 right now, and knowing how girls are, they spend 10 hours looking for clothes and in the end don't buy anything. So yay me. Alright, at this point I feel like people think we're probably a couple and they probably caught me slipping. What do you think, Liz?
Pretty much.
I'm getting hella weird looks, guys. So oh my god, I'm honestly regretting this challenge right now, but I'm not gonna lose. If I win this challenge, I just realized it's gonna be the first challenge I win on my channel.
You're gonna lose.
No, I am not gonna lose. We're gonna see how this turns out, and I'm gonna win. Alright guys, so it's literally been almost 2 hours into this challenge. So I got 22 hours to go, and I wanna give up already. But I'm not gonna give up because I'm not trying to lose. She's already wanting to give up. But wait till I have to tell her that I took a shit, so that's gonna suck for her. Weren't you supposed to go get your nails done?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my god. Guys, pray for me. Alright guys, so we went into Spencer's real quick. No, not Spencer. It was Spencer's, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess Spencer's and Hot Topic mixed up a lot, guys. But we went inside to Spencer's real quick and we got a game where it's basically, it asks serious personal questions. So we're gonna play that when we get home to make this vlog more entertaining for you guys. Except we're gonna put a twist on it. If the person doesn't want to answer the question, they have to take a shot. So we're gonna see how this turns out, guys. We're still walking around the West Covina Mall, so we'll probably head home in a little to do the game. Alright guys, so it looks like that moment came where somebody has to use the bathroom real quick. And the thing that sucks is that there's 2 mirrors in here, and there's the way we're handcuffed, I can't look at the wall because then she has to sit down and there's no way for this to happen. So I'm not gonna be able to vlog this part, guys, so yeah. What the hell is going on with this car, guys? I wonder if anybody's gonna get off and start pushing.
What if she ran out again?
Yeah, they're I think they ran out of gas. You wanna go push? Oh my god. Well, looks like somebody's gonna have to start pushing. Alright guys, so we're back home already. We're gonna play something called Extreme Personal Questions to, you know, make this vlog a little bit funny. For anybody who's under the age of 18, please skip this part and go to the time frame right here because I do not want your parents walking in on you and asking what the watching. So if you're under 18, stop watching this, literally. And if you're under 18 and curious, then go ahead and watch it. So, the way this game works, we're gonna ask some extreme personal questions to one another. I'm gonna find out things about my cousin I don't want to know. She's gonna find out things about me she don't want to know. But there is a twist to this where you can save each other, not each other, but you can save yourself from answering this question. The downside is that if you don't want to answer this question, you have to take a shot of Cirocs. And if we're out of Cirocs, then we got Malibu. So let's see who gets drunk first and who has the dirtier secrets. Alright. So since it's ladies first, go for it. You ask yours.
Okay. It says, what happened during a time you felt like you needed to apologize during sex?
Okay, I haven't one of those moments yet. Yet? No. Alright then. What is the most embarrassing photo on your phone right now and you have to show it right now? I have a cousin named Tokyo, guys. His real name, what's his real name?
Juan.
His real name's Juan. So Tokes, if you're watching this, don't be mad at me. Be mad at her for showing the picture. But we have my cousin's baby picture. Not really his baby picture, but the
Snapchat filter.
The Snapchat filter.
Like
Bro, why does he look like Torito? Like,
I don't know.
little, like, literally, guys, this would be him right here. Again, Tokes, don't get mad at me.
That's the most embarrassing picture I have.
Alright then, go, your turn.
What is the most disgusting thing you ever had to fight into?
The most disgusting thing I've had to bite into.
Yeah.
Does eating?
Ew, yes.
Okay, then that. I'm telling you, I'm not taking no shots today. Alright. What are the sexiest dance moves and you have to show them right now on camera?
Well, you do. I would take shots for that one.
I know.
That's the one. Oh.
So either start dancing or you're...
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Damn.
What is the kinkiest thing you have done while masturbating?
When the fuck do you do kinky shit during masturbation? Bro, I didn't even... Okay, I haven't done, but I have a homie that, well... Okay, I haven't done any kinky shit while masturbation, but I have a homie who actually has a fleshlight, and he actually uses that shit.
A what?
A fleshlight.
For what?
So I mean, technically I answered it, but I haven't done shit, but my homie has. Not gonna say who my homie is. So, alright. What type of fetishes do you have?
How much that? Or biting? Fucking hell.
That just reminded me of something that we're not allowed to talk on this show. Alright, your turn.
What is the dumbest thing you have said to someone during sex or after sex? During or after sex? Okay,
Not really the dumbest thing. Okay, it might be dumb, but I accidentally said the 3 words you shouldn't say.
I love you.
Yeah. It just got super awkward and it was like crickets chirping, like... Yeah. I'm not taking no shots today. I'll answer truthfully. Alright. What is the kinkiest thing you have done to yourself while you were alone?
Nothing?
Really?
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, then go for it.
What type of porn are you most embarrassed to admit you have enjoyed?
Oh my god. Do I have to say this one?
You want to take a shot?
What is the porn that I'm not... Will you say that again?
What type of porn are you most embarrassed to admit you have enjoyed?
You could switch the question to like more like what's the most porn you tend to watch, then I'll probably say...
Pretty much.
No, well, I'm most, like I said, I think majority of my viewers know that I'm into black chicks, so yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you never knew?
No. I thought you were into Asian girls or something.
No, I'm into black girls. Alright, what nicknames have you given to a penis?
I'm not taking no shot.
Then spill the nickname.
I've never given it.
Then why'd you giggle?
Because who gives a fucking penis a nickname?
I don't fucking know shit. For all I know, it could be the fucking 12-inch Punisher.
No. I've never given a...
Alright, your turn.
What was going on the last time you felt you had to hide how horny you were from others around you?
Fuck!
I knew that was a good one.
Oh my god. I'm not taking the shot though. Like,
okay,
alright, so guys, this was back in high school. I'm not gonna say the girl's name. This was back in high school during weight training class, and basically what had happened was it was our finals, so for the finals she had to squat a certain amount of weight, and she asked me to spot her, and I was like, yeah, sure, I'll spot you. So as she's squatting down, the weight was too much for her, so instead of her back coming down like this and coming back up normal, on the way back up, she goes forward and her butt comes out, and when you spot on squat, you have to be right behind them to catch the bar just in case. So when her butt came up, she like fucking scooped my dick and I got hard. What was happening the last time you had an orgasm in your pants? Or in your underwear, whatever.
You're just kidding.
Really?
No.
I was about to say, well then. Alright, your turn.
Who have you had sex with in a dream that you're most disgusted by the next day?
Oh, I'm not gonna say the name.
You said
I'm gonna say the name, but I'm gonna bleep it out because I know she'll probably end up watching this video. You can't say shit.
I can't say shit.
Alright, so I had a dream that I ended up having sex with one of my and that was bullshit aside. You can't say shit.
Thanks, easy.
Alright. What were you doing the last time you realized you needed to shut your blinds? Like you were doing something that nobody's supposed to see and you had to close your blinds.
I was changing, and then we're like in my room. You know how I have a balcony and I left the fucking door wide open.
Are you serious?
Yes, and I didn't even notice. My dumbass like, okay, I finished taking a shower. I was gonna change and whatever, and then I look. I'm like, oh shit, the door is open, and even the fucking, you know, like I have that black gate one.
Yeah.
Okay, that one was open too. And then I was like, oh my god, I totally forgot. So then I ran. Me tapé rápido, and then I ran to fucking close it.
Oh.
And you could see.
The cameras by Burger King probably already picked it up and shit. Alright.
Okay. If you could be your opposite gender for a day, how would you enjoy your new gender?
I'm be honest, guys, I'd go a whole round. Bullshit aside.
You'd be a slit.
I'd be like, Liz, let's go to the club right now. I'm about to get me some.
You would.
Alright. Who or what acts are on your sexual bucket list?
Maybe the beach. Do it at the beach.
Do it at the beach? Bro, I'd go all out and fucking pull some 50 Shades of Grey. But instead of 50 Shades of Grey, I'm pulling out some fucking 50 Shades of Latino. Alright, your turn.
What triggers the most surprising orgasm you have ever had? I'm not gonna take no shot.
Not answering that one.
Have you recently used your sexiness to get out of trouble?
Never. I've never. What would you like to experiment with sexually that you have not done yet?
A lot of girls that hit it from the back. Like, I mean, a lot of guys, you know, like, do you know what I mean?
Yes, I know.
Okay, yeah.
Wait, are you trying to say you're trying to get...
No, that's not what I mean. It's just
Wait,
like,
when you say from the back, you mean from the exit or just like in that position? Oh.
not in that position.
Oh.
Who has not done about stuff?
I mean, one of my friends, she told me that it hurts pretty bad. No, good, bad.
I know, I've heard that a lot.
Yeah.
And then some other girls have said that.
Yeah.
What recent universe would you please like to share with everyone?
Oh, I already shared it, so I can't even. That's the same thing almost.
What is the most embarrassing thing you have done while being intoxicated?
Okay, I'm gonna be honest, guys. I can't even answer this one because I don't remember. I don't remember what I did when I was intoxicated. Now, if you want me to say what's the most embarrassing thing she's done while she was intoxicated,
No.
I can sure as hell say that one.
No. It's asking you the question, I mean.
All right, well, I can't remember, so I can't really give an answer to that one. All right. Besides other people, what else do you enjoy having sex with?
Just people?
Hey, I don't know. Shit, you could be into some kinky ass shit.
Mm-mm.
Shit, for all I know, fucking, you have a toy at home or some shit. I don't even know.
No.
All right, your turn.
When was the last time you regretted sending a nude picture to someone?
2 years ago. So guys, she's at the point that she wants to take them off already. So you want to take them off, Liz?
Stop, I don't want to do the ice check.
Come on. She was about to take it off, guys, without me recording. Go, Liz, take it off.
No, I'm not gonna take it off.
You know you want that ice bucket. Look, the keys are right there next to you.
Okay, what kind of shot?
Take yours off.
Nah, you wish.
I'm not gonna take it off.
That's on black chocolate.
How does it work?
Put it in the hole.
I don't have any. I have impulses.
Or do you not know how to do that?
No, isn't that the guy's job?
Not mine. You got me fucked up.
No, you're right behind me.
I don't want. I'm not gonna take it off. You're recording me. I was gonna take them off.
When they don't know how to put it in the hole.
There you go. What happened?
Why? Why?
Oh my god, she took it. Oh, you took it.
Oh, look at my
Oh.
Bro, she couldn't last. I'm gonna go get the ice bucket water. Alright guys, so unfortunately my cousin left already, so we didn't get to do the ice bucket on her. So yeah, that sucks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. 24 hours being handcuffed to someone is not easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video very much. New video will be coming out in a few weeks. Probably by next week, I'm gonna have another video with somebody that you guys love in my previous video. She's coming back. So that's a guess. That's a huge hint, guys. So if you guys want to see that video, remember to turn on your post notifications. Remember to subscribe to my channel, become part of the Power Squad. Also, if you have not seen my previous video, go check that out, guys. And if you haven't seen my Hell's Kitchen video either, go check that one out too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have an amazing week. Remember to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Power Squad. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Break.